Hey guys, welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. My name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom to one. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you something that I'm implementing for my son starting this month. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I have a fifth grader. He's 11 years old and he does have ADHD. And guys, to be honest, some days are a struggle just to even get through the simplest things like cursive or math or art or doing chores or even taking a bath. It's a struggle, and so he needs a lot of encouragement to complete the task that he has to do. And I want to encourage him in a positive way. I want him to feel good about himself. I want him to have confidence. So I was searching on the internet for some different things to do that might motivate him to do better, to do his chores without being told, to complete his work without whining. I always say without grumbling and complaining, because that's what I hope for. But I was looking around and I came across Mrs. D's Corner, which I followed her for a long time. She was a SPED teacher, and I think she's at home now, and she continues to make things for teachers pay teachers. But I follow her on Instagram, so look up Mrs. D's Corner. And she was actually talking about laminating stickers. And from there, I saw the token board, and I thought, oh, I've got to read more about this token board. This looks like something I could use with my son. So I joined her, I think it was like her email sign up. I'm not really sure what I joined. I think it was like if you sign up for her emails, you can get these free resources. And this token board was on her free resources. So definitely go and check that out if you like this. I'll try to link it below so you can see the article about what it is and how she used it in her classroom. But this was free, and so when you open it up, you do get the token boards, and hers come with check marks if you do not want to use stickers. But it was super easy to use. So it has 12 spaces. So, they just only have to fill up 12 things in order to earn something. And it has a place for their reward. So he actually picks the reward first, so he knows what he's working towards. And then we start to fill up the board. So as you can see, we haven't been back to school very long yet. So he has earned, at the time of this video, he has earned 2 tokens. And these tokens are actually just Star Wars stickers. If you follow Mrs. D's Corner on Instagram, you can watch in her highlights. She has a laminating tip highlight. And she shows how you can take any sticker, whatever is the favorite of your child, put them in laminating film and laminate them to use for tokens. So that's what I have here. I just took, he loves Star Wars. So I just took a bunch of Star Wars stickers and ran them through my laminating machine and cut them out. And that's what we're using for tokens. So let's say we're working on impulse control. So if I say something to him and he doesn't, he controls himself and I notice it, I'm going to say, oh, I love the way you stopped yourself from whatever. If you have a child with ADHD, Or if I notice that he has done his chores all day without me telling him, I can say, I love the effort you've put into your chores. Go put a token on the board. And he can grab a token and put it on there. Now, she has hers on there with Velcro. I just use this sticky tack stuff that you use at, that you can buy at Walmart and the Dollar Tree. But she puts Velcro on all these places and on the back of her stickers. And then she keeps the extra ones back here, but I'm just keeping them in a baggie. This is going to hang on our refrigerator, and this is on a baggie beside the refrigerator that we can just reach in and get the tokens. Today I noticed that he tried extra hard during writing. He's writing a comic strip, and he tried really hard today. Writing is one of his hardest subjects, and so when I'm finished with this video, he's actually going to get to add a token for putting forth so much effort in his writing. Now, when he gets finished with all 12 of these, his reward is a pack of Pokemon cards. When you're making these rewards for your kids, put things on there that you know they're going to want to work towards. So let me show you some of the things that I've included for his rewards. So he loves to eat at Olive Garden. So we have a lunch date at Olive Garden, and I just made these in little boxes on PowerPoint and then clip art from Google. A $5 trip to the Dollar Tree. Family movie night, which we do those anyway, but I thought this would be a little more special. We could go buy snacks, have pizza, all that good stuff. No chores for a week. That's the one I thought he would pick first, and he didn't. A book from Barnes & Noble. $5 cash because he does like money. Trampoline park with a friend. No cursive for a week. His eyes were like wide when he saw that. No math for the day. $3 cash. And then the last one's like a afternoon parent one-on-one date. Now he is an only child, so we're with him a lot one-on-one, but to actually take him out, let him pick where we eat and do something with him, that's one of the rewards. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. So once the child fills it up, they get their reward and then you start over. They pick a new reward and they work towards something else. I'm just really looking for a positive way to encourage him and to make him feel better and to make him want to continue to put forth effort and to know that hard work does pay off, that there is something for him at the end when he works hard and when he can control himself and when he can control his anger and things like that, all those things that he struggles with. So this is just anything positive, not just schoolwork, just anything I notice that's positive, we're going to add a token to the board. So if you have any more questions about this token board, please leave them below. Remember, these are just stickers. This is free from Mrs. D's Corner, and these I made on PowerPoint. So again, if you have any questions, leave them below. I hope this is helpful, and I hope this is something you might could implement at your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.